Baby Mama TV.
Hello kids. Today we will learn 25 birds' name in English. Peacock. This is a peacock. Peacock. Hen. This is a hen. Hen. Parrot. This is a parrot. Parrot. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. Sparrow. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. Pigeon. Rooster. This is a rooster. Rooster. Duck. This is a duck. Duck. Crow. This is a crow. Crow. Bulbul. This is a bulbul. Bulbul. Crane. This is a crane. Crane. Goose. This is a goose. Goose. Woodpecker. This is a woodpecker. Woodpecker. Ostrich. This is an ostrich. Ostrich. Penguin. This is a penguin. Penguin. Hummingbird. This is a hummingbird. Hummingbird. Cuckoo. This is a cuckoo. Cuckoo. Kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. Kingfisher. Quail. This is a quail. Quail. Nightingale. This is a nightingale. Nightingale. Bluebird. This is a bluebird. Bluebird. Swan. This is a swan. Swan. Kiwi. This is a kiwi. Kiwi. Eagle. This is an eagle. Eagle. Owl. This is an owl. Owl. Vulture. This is a vulture. Vulture.
If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Baby Mama TV. Bye bye.